What's the meaning of Black Tuesday? Black Tuesday. Black Tuesday.
Black Tuesday. Black Tuesday. Black Tuesday refers to October 29, 1929, the day the stock market crashed in the United States, marking the beginning of the Great Depression. This event caused panic among investors and led to a rapid decline in stock prices. It is considered one of the darkest days in American financial history, as it triggered a decade-long economic crisis that affected millions of people worldwide. The term Black Tuesday has since been used to describe any catastrophic event that results in significant losses or damage. It serves as a reminder of the dangers of speculative investments and the importance of responsible financial management.